O-S-A, imos is en. O-S-A, imos is en. Accent. See that one? That's an important one. All right, now here's the thing. I'm going to keep saying these out loud, or maybe I'm not, because you know that there's a part for you and there's a part for me. And your part is, I need you to be at home, on front of your computer, or on your phone, or in your car, or falling asleep, or whatever it is, and I need you to say these out loud. O-S-A, imos is en. And why do I want you to say them out loud? Because I think it's going to make memorizing easier. Yes, you can make flashcards. Yes, you can just read them on the paper or in your head. But if you say it out loud, I promise you, you're going to get there faster. O-S-A, imos is en. And what are these? Endings. And specifically, they're endings for IR verbs in the present tense. Sometimes we call it the present indicative. And why do I need to know these? Well, because we're going to take some infinitives, like vivir, escribir, subir, which means to live, to write, and to climb. But why do I need to know these endings that you keep talking about, maestro? Well, because we want to go from, instead of just saying to live, we want to say we live. And instead of saying to write, we want to say he writes or he does write. And instead of saying to climb, we say I climb or I do climb. And to do that, we need a process. And that process is, we're going to start with an infinitive, drop the IR, and then we're going to add your ending. And those endings pertain to your box of 6. Box of 6? Not making sense? Maybe check out a video on box of 6. Go to the YouTube, type in box of 6, Maestro Kaplan. There it'll be. So how do we do this? Let's start with the first one, vivir. Step 2, drop your IR. Step 3, we want to say we. So we're going to need box 4. We're going to add imos. Vivimos. We live or we do live. Let's look at another one. Escribir. To write. But maybe we want to say he writes love letters. Ooh, this is a nice guy, right? Escribir. Step 2, we want to drop our IR. And then which box is he? Our he box is box 3. Escribe. He writes. He does write. I know, it's really this easy. And finally, we have subir, to climb, right? And we want to say I climb. So subir, drop your IR, add your O. Subo. I climb, I do climb. But the first step is you have to know these endings. You have to memorize them. Maybe just whisper it right now so that no one thinks you're too crazy in front of your phone. Just whisper. O-S-A, imos is en. See, you probably couldn't even really hear that. I was whispering too because I didn't want you to feel alone. All right, so you're going to memorize these. And then after you get these AR and ER and IR endings memorized for the present indicative, we're going to add a whole bunch of other kinds of endings for, say, like the future, the conditional, the subjunctive, the preterite, the imperfect. I know, this is just the start. So for today, memorize these. O-S-A, imos is en. Have fun. Suerte.